Good evening traders and welcome back to TradesFX. It is Friday the 5th of July 2024 and the time is 12 AM UK time. Traders, welcome back. Hope you're good. Just want to really take you through a trade which we have had trigger today. Now, I'm here on the daily charter for the US dollar Swiss franc. And as you can see, we're live now in the trade. So I just want to go back a little bit and show you what has happened since we last spoke. So where was I? So if you remember, let me just briefly fill you in on where we got to. So we looked at this run up into this level of Fibonacci confluence, support and resistance, and all of the bits of confluence in that area. We waited for a pattern. Let's get rid of that now. Let's go back in. And if you remember, what I was looking for is a break of this level in here, or what I took was a break of this level in here. Now, when I shot this video yesterday, let's fatten this up, see Daisy, let's fatten this up. Price was in here somewhere. So what I was looking for is for this price to go back up. But now, as you can see here, the markets don't move in a straight line, do they? They absolutely do not. So what has since happened is price has meandered up, come down into this bar here, and then bam, we've got taken in. And then price has since sold back off. So now it is a case of sit and wait, see what happens, monitor this trade. Okay, let's go back up the daily time frames. And as you can see, my target is some 300 pips away. So what's the next move in this trade should anything happen? Well, you've seen me do it before, so I'm going to show you again how I do it. I'm going to get rid of these here. I'm going to get rid of all this here and now, because you've seen this and you know how I've come to that level. I'll leave that there. So what I do is I get a vertical line in between my entry and my stop loss. My take profit. Yes, my stop loss. Okay. And what I then do is I bring that down one time. And that is a 1-to-1. I get a horizontal line now, and I drop that in at the bottom there. And I just right click, put a template on it, and put it just there to remind me to take off 50%. Now, as you remember, I do not take profit off my 50% off at 1-to-1. I take it off at a 2-to-1. So you've just watched me drag it down there a bit further now. Okay, here we are. And I'm now going to pull this level down here to give me a 2-to-1. Perfect. I can get rid of this vertical bar now. So this level now represents the area, if price gets there, that I will take off 50%. And what I want to happen is I want to just set an alert just below there. Set an alert just to remind me if price crosses down through that level, okay, to take off 50%. 50%. And let me just see what that 50% will be if we get there. Let's drag it down. So if we get to that 50% level, it's going to be 121 pips. So if we can get there, traders, we will have made 121 pips on the first part of this position. And let's see what happens. Pips. That's just to remind me. Okay, traders, thanks for sitting in. No, actually, let's just have a look at this. It's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful, beautiful thing. 21 pips up now. So that's what we're going to do. Let's wait and see what happens. And hopefully we can get some further traction out of this market. So thanks for sitting in, traders. And I'll catch you all very, very soon. Take care, traders.